Good morning, one and all. Welcome to new session of chapter number 2 in physics. Now, in last video, you saw the SI units. There are 7 basic quantity which we considered as a fundamental quantity, and then in last video I explained what do you mean by derived quantity, and then we show what do you mean by supplementary units. In supplementary units, we have two unit, but first one is plane angle and the second one is solid angle, but out of them plane angle is important. So I explained in last video what do you mean and how to find theta. It is nothing but it is arc upon radius. Okay, now first of all let's move on this point. Okay, length. So how to find length? It is very easy, but the method is very easy, but suppose we have chalo, let's start in different way. In measurement of length, see, I have a pen. If I would like to find length of the pen by using simple scale, we can easily find the what is called length of the pen. Okay, but see over here, if simply I open it, so inside we have a refill. Now see over here, this is refill. Just point out, if we point out, in that case this is point of the refill. Okay, now suppose I would like to find the diameter or radius of this point. In that case I don't think so scale is important. Okay, because by using scale we can't find. Okay, wait a minute. Let me show you this scale. Over here, the scale start from this position. Okay, now I think it's clear. Now see, it is starting from this point. Here we have one line, another we have one line. This line is indicate division in physics language. Now see, okay, now see, suppose we would like to say what is this. So it's a 0.1 centimeter, it's 0.2 centimeter, 0.3 centimeter, 0.4 centimeter, and then we have 0.5 centimeter. Okay, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we have 1 centimeter over here. But now just see the size of this ballpoint pen. So tip is less than 1 division. Okay, means by using simple scale it is very difficult for us to measure length. Okay, that's why we have to move on another devices. In physics, physics has defined many devices to measure length. We have practical also, but while school will start, on that time we will show you how to start it. Okay, we will show you in practical way how to measure length. Okay, but over here remember, a meter scale is used for measuring length up to 10 raised to minus 3 meter to 10 raised to 2 meter. Okay, this is known as bandwidth of the length of meter scale. Okay, below this, if you would like to go, in that case we have a device which is known as vernier calipers. Vernier calipers is used for measuring length of an which is measuring of length to an accuracy of 10 raised to minus 4 meter. It means what? By using vernier calipers you can measure length up to 10 raised to minus 4 meter, which is quite very small. If you want to go below this length, in that case we have another device which is known as screw gauge. Screw gauge and spherometer, it is nice instrument to measure length up to 10 raised to minus 5 meter. Okay, so this is the length if you would like to find. But suppose we have a large celestial bodies, means planets, stars, galaxies. In that case we can't use vernier calipers, we cannot use screw gauge, we cannot use spherometer, even we can't use this scale. Okay, so what to do? Okay, in that case we have to adopt such a method Okay, and by using that method, we can easily measure the distance between Earth and Jupiter, or to Sun, between two stars, between two celestial objects. Okay, that method is simple. Over here, let's see. Okay, see, this method is nothing but it is known as parallax method. In parallax method, basically what we are doing, we are simply put everything on one line. Now see, just observe my finger. If I just put another my finger over here, in that case, you can see it's a one finger only. But if we rotate our eye, okay, in that case, it is simply displaced. Okay, you can do one thing, just put your finger at 1 meter from your eye, just close one eye. Okay, so you can see your finger properly. But now what to do, just close your eyes, whatever, one eye, and then open second one, and then again close second one, and again open first one. So you can observe that the finger is displaced from its position, and it is nothing but it is known as displacement. Now you have to remove this error. By removing error, if we put over here, now how to remove that error? Now put another your finger over here, so you can see my finger is simply hide by first finger. Okay, now if we rotate our eye, in that case it is displaced like this. Okay, that displace, while it is displaced, so it is error. Now while we have to make such a situation, it means such a position, on that time both fingers are moving like this. Okay, it is nothing but this thing is known as parallax method, means it is like a single object. Okay, based on this we can easily measure the large distance. Okay, and whatever method we have, that is indicated as a parallax method. Over here, by using one example, I would like to show you that how it works. Okay, so let us consider this one, a sphere, which is nothing but it is our Earth. Okay, and this is point like object which we are considering as a planet. Any planet you can consider over here which is far away from Earth. Okay, now what to do? At one place, one person is standing. Let us consider that person is A, and at another point, let us consider another person is standing. It is considered as a B. Now, if A to B we are measuring, but we measuring, in that case B act as a diameter of Earth. Okay, now P is over here. Okay, P is point like object of that planet, but actually while we are observing that any planet, so it is it's nothing but it is point like object, but actually it is huge compared to Earth. Okay, now what to do? You have to observe this point like object from A position. Okay, like this, and and after that, at from point like object B, you have to observe same point. Okay, in that case over here one angle prepared. Okay, one angle prepared, and that angle is nothing but theta. It is indicated as a plane angle. Fine, वन बाय वन ऑब्जर्व करते जाओ तो आपको ये डिस्टेंस मिल जाएगा. Okay, that distance we have to consider as a d equal to nothing but is distance from planet to Earth. Fine, now what to do? Now what to do? Just put the value over here. Theta equal to nothing but it is arc upon radius. Okay, now arc, what do you mean by arc? So remember over here, suppose we are considering this planet is nothing but it is sun. So around the sun this Earth is revolving. Okay, now object is moving from A to B. So over here A to B act as a radius, arc of the circle, because suppose करो कि it is moving perfectly in a circle like this. So over here I would like to narrate that point like object over here we have, Earth over here we have, and it is revolving around the sun like this. Okay, around the sun like this. In that case A and B act as a arc. Okay, and this position is known as radius. Fine. So that value we are putting over here. Arc, you can consider anything AP or BP, that we are putting over here, and the radius AB and the radius we have to consider as a AP or PB, right? That thing. Now AB equal to be considered as a D, and D equal to be considered as a distance from Earth to planet. Okay, out of two quantity we are putting over here, so directly we are getting a simple distance regarding Earth to planet. So by using this equation we can easily find the value of any planet in large distance. Hope you understand this theory. Over here, this is end of the theory. If you have any question, you can ask me anytime. Okay, just write down in your notebook. It is very easy and simple method. Thank you very much. That's all for today.